Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. I'm going to run 6 sight reading tests at the exam pack today, and I want you to grab your saxophone and have a go at them, and then I'm going to demonstrate them after you've had a go at them. Okay, so I'm going to pick 6 tests out of the exam pack, and also if you've got that book that's got all the sight reading and scales for grade 1 to 5 saxophone, the sight reading tests in there are exactly the same. So that will work as well. So just to reiterate, I'm going to play 6 tests at random, and I'm going to ask you to pause the video and have a go at that sight reading test, and then I'm going to demonstrate it and show you what you should have played. Hope you enjoy the video, hope you find it useful. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to start with test number 1. It's marked Allegretto with a dynamic of MF, and it's in 2/4 time. Pause the video and have a go at that just for a minute or two, and then come back and I'm going to show you what you should have played. Here we go. Okay, so I hope that went well, and you should have played something like this. And moving on to the next one down, number 2, marked Moderato. There's a sharp there, there's an F sharp, so it's in G major, and the dynamic level is MF for the first 2 bars. Have a go at that, pause the video, and I'll see you back in a few seconds. Okay, so number 2, you should have played something like this. Okay, I hope all is going well so far. And moving just on one more again to number 3. This is entitled March. It's in 2/4 time, and there's a forte for the first 4 bars. Just be careful of those B flats in there. Have a go at that, and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so you should have played something like this. Okay, and I'm going to jump down to number 6 now. This is marked Allegro. It's in 3/4 time. There's an F sharp in the key signature. Have a go at that, pause the video, and I'll see you back in a second. Okay, so number 6, you should have played something like this. Okay, now I'm over on the next page, and I'm going to jump to number 9 now, and it's marked Allegretto. It's in 3/4 time with a B flat in the key signature. Pause the video, have a go at that, and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so number 9, you should have played something like this. Okay, and lastly, let's have a go at number 10, Moderato, in 2/4 time. There's an F sharp there in the key signature. Pause the video, have a go at that, and I'll see you back in a minute. Okay, so number 10 should have sounded something like this. Okay, so that's a wrap for the sight reading tests. I hope you found that useful. I hope that gave you an idea of what's coming up in your exam. And of course, if you did find the video useful, then leave me a comment below in that section. Give me a thumbs up. And do of course check out some of the other videos for grade 1 saxophone. There's a fair few pieces that I'm going to upload, and there's also a play along for the scales as well, so check that out, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!